If you are a qualified teacher outside Canada and want to relocate legally, this video will walk you through the complete process, from immigration pathways to professional licensing, with a detailed breakdown of the Ontario College of Teachers certification process. Important: in Canada, immigration approval and teacher licensing are two separate processes. You must understand both to succeed. Hi, I'm Ademola Michael Williams for One Nation Treasures, a travel consultant legally registered in Sweden, where I reside. I am not affiliated with any embassy or Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Teaching in Canada is a regulated profession. Each province has its own regulatory body. In Ontario, teachers are licensed by the Ontario College of Teachers. The Ontario College of Teachers is responsible for assessing international teaching qualifications, issuing teaching certificates, setting professional standards, and ensuring public safety in education. Without Ontario College of Teachers certification, you cannot work as a publicly funded school teacher in Ontario, Canada. Foreign-trained teachers can apply if they have a completed university degree and a recognized teacher education program. You must also have supervised teaching practice, or practicum, and professional standing in your home country if licensed. Your education must be equivalent to Ontario standards, which usually include at least 4 years of post-secondary education plus teacher training. Now, let's look at the Ontario College of Teachers application process step by step. Step 1. Create an online account through the official portal. Choose Internationally Educated Teacher Application. Step 2. Pay the non-refundable evaluation application fee. Your application will not begin until payment is confirmed. Step 3. Submit required documents. Sent directly from institutions, not from you. Required documents include university transcripts, teacher education transcripts, showing courses and practicum hours, and proof of identity, like a passport or legal identification. You also need a teaching license or certification from your home country, regulator, and a statement of professional standing to confirm you are in good standing. If your education was not in English or French, you must also provide language proficiency proof. Step 4. Educational assessment. The college evaluates academic degree level, teacher training length, practicum duration, and teaching subjects and grade levels. Ontario requires specific preparation in primary and junior, or junior and intermediate, or intermediate and senior divisions. If your training differs, the college may require additional coursework. Step 5. Possible assessment outcomes. You may receive a certificate of qualification for full certification, which means you can teach immediately, or a conditional certification requiring extra courses or exams. A third outcome is a requirement for additional teacher education, which is common for internationally trained teachers. Step 6. Pay the annual membership fee. After approval, you must pay yearly membership fees to remain licensed. You will then appear on Ontario's Public Teacher Registry. Now, immigration pathways for foreign teachers. Please note that teacher licensing does not give immigration status. You must immigrate separately, using one of these pathways. XPS entry. This is a federal skilled worker program based on education, work experience, language scores, and age. Teachers fall under skilled occupation categories. Another option is the Provincial Nominee program. Ontario may nominate candidates with education experience when labor shortages exist. A provincial nomination greatly increases permanent residency chances. The study pathway is another route. Many teachers complete a Canadian education program, receive a post-graduation work permit, then apply for permanent residency. A job offer plus a work permit is also possible. Private schools or education institutions may hire internationally trained teachers or assistants. Important realities foreign teachers should know. Certification processing may take several months and additional courses are common, not a rejection. Canadian classroom experience improves employment chances. Always applied through official government and regulatory websites. Relocating to Canada as a teacher is achievable when you understand licensing and immigration as two parallel steps. Follow for more professional relocation guides. Thank you for watching and God bless. Always remember that your greatest passport is knowledge. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.